Hello everyone and welcome back to Mooncap Crypto. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing project which is known as Puppy Dex. So here we are on the website. You can check out Puppy Dex tools. I had reviewed this video once. This project when it was into the pre-sale stage back in October. So now they had released their official tools as well. This product is looking really good. Scan tokens, avoid scams, trade smarter. Down here you can check out scan any BSA tool instantly, price, liquidity, FTB 24 exchange as well as the verifications are some of the features. Down here you can see how to use. Just paste the contract address and you will get the price, liquidity, FTB as well as 24 exchange. To Puppy Dex tool, instant crypto insight for BNB Chain tokens, a meme coin made by AI for the public. The public token join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun, powered by AI, token built by AI and ambition. You can check out no taxes, fixed supply of 100 billion tokens as well as no burn or redistribution fees. So let's come to the utility for which we are making this video. You can check out the details. The utility details are given here. Why PuppyDex built this tool? Many existing crypto tools are powerful but often overwhelming for new users, filled with technical jargon, slow or cluttered, designed mainly for professionals. So this is an easy tool built for the PuppyDex user. So make sure you use it. Just click onto this link and the tool will open. So you can check out the interface is really clean. Name, symbol, price, 24 hours chain, liquidity, FTP, contract verification are some of the things it will grab for you. You had to paste the address here. So come down to the coin market cap and select any of the BSC token. Let's select this MYX finance and then select its copy the address, come back to the scanner and paste the address here and click on scan button. And now let's wait. And here you can check out it had grabbed all of the things. You can check out the 24 hours change, FTP, contract verification, each and everything is already grabbed by it. So this is really an amazing tool. So make sure you use this tool as well and check out this amazing product, Puppy Dex. And also make sure you join their social media handles, Telegram, YouTube, GitHub, Instagram as well as X handles are given here. So you make sure you check them out as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.